So it's raining outside.
A little bit.
Yeah, a little bit. But
A little chilly too.
Yeah, but we live for this. There's no grill season. There's no better one day than the other for grilling. When you gotta grill, you gotta grill. All right, so today is super simple. Chicken Paillard or lemon chicken. And we're gonna pound this chicken thin, get a little marinade in there, throw it on a 550-degree grill. In fact, I've got the Kettle Joe coming up to temperature right now. Let's get into the action. So let's keep this super simple. When we're pounding chicken, I like to use a bag, all right?
Pro move.
Yeah, pro move, and I like to not have the bag open to myself so it splatters. Been there, done that, okay? But what I want to do first is show you seasoning with this Cubano. We've chosen Lane's barbecue Cubano today. It's got citrus notes, it's got sweet notes, it's got dill, it's got mustard. You can use salt and pepper if you like, but I like the extra added notes. I'm gonna season this chicken breast and then directly into the bag. And you wanna spread them out here and make sure you don't get all the way over to the edge because as you're pounding, it's gonna spread evenly. So notice for this gallon Ziploc, I've got two almost, let's call them 5-ounce chicken breasts here. And like I said, we're gonna crimp it. All right, and now we get our trusty rolling pin. And you'll notice that the chicken breasts taper. It's almost like a wedge. So we're gonna put a little bit more positive pressure on that thicker part than the thinner part. We want complete even thinness. And look at that great surface area we have, no big tears. This looks great. Not only have we tenderized it by pounding it, we've made it a faster cook, and it's going to accept marinade quicker. So all good things happening. Let's pound the other one out. Remember, team, we're not swinging for the fences here, all right? You don't want to bust this up too bad. Take it gingerly, start from one side, work to the other, and then work back over. But no slamming this. We're not taking the week's aggression out on this chicken, all right? We just want to get it nice and tenderized, even thinness, and thin all the way throughout. Let's make our marinade. First thing I like to do, get a little lemon juice in there. Remember, this is a lemon herb chicken or chicken Paillard. Don't worry about those lemon seeds. We'll be all right. This is rustic. Okay, that's a lot of lemon seeds.
Not that rustic.
Yeah, there's a difference between rustic and just not paying attention. We'll strain those out. Let me show you what I mean by strain them out. Guys, it's just cooking too. We're all right. We're all right. Now let's thin slice some garlic, and always fresh garlic. Folks always ask in the comment section, oh, what's the knife you're using? Today we're using the Shun 5.5-inch Santoku. I love this knife for recipes like this. All right, so garlic in with the lemon juice. Excellent.
A decent amount of garlic. You always do that much?
It's big bold garlic, yeah, because this is, we're not just grilling chicken breast to grill chicken breast here. It's gonna go on top of a salad, or it's gonna go in a taco. It's gonna be in a bite with other things, possibly lettuce that have been dressed. We want it to really pop. If you don't like so much garlic, don't use it, but I'm a garlic fan. Same with rosemary. If you'd rather use sage or oregano, do what you like. But these flavors, it's a quick marinade. You only get about 30 minutes here before we throw it on the grill. It's nice to have those big, bold flavors so it happens fast. And just a rough chop on this rosemary. Remember, you're going to be eating this, so you don't want it too fibrous, too large. That'll work right into the marinade. Boom. Perhaps we go in with a little bit more of that Cubano. And look at that. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's get oh, that's looking great. Oh, I forgot the olive oil. Okay, we want olive oil to kind of use as a medium to spread all of this out. So let's get just a little bit of olive oil. Oh, beep.
Ridiculous. Been waiting for that one.
Yeah, let's just little guy. It's the little things in life, folks, I'm telling you. All right, now we go right into the bag. Scrape all that goodness out. Zip it back. It's okay if there's a little air in there. And make sure that it's completely covered. And you can imagine how big and bold all those flavors are. The lemon juice, the garlic, the rosemary. I mean, very simple things, but bold flavors. And so we put it on that 550-degree grill, kisses the flame and just wakes everything up. I'm telling you, this chicken is fantastic. Super simple, but as we always say, simple things done perfectly win every time. There we go, okay? 30-minute marinade. You don't want to go much longer than that. You don't want the lemon juice turning this into chicken ceviche. We've pounded it thin. It's going to start interacting pretty quick. You'll start to see it turn opaque here shortly. So you could even get the marinade on here, start your grill, both of them get to temperature and marinate at the same time, and boom, you're going. This is one of those great 30-minute meals. So, you know, we're stabilized at 550 degrees. I hope you can see it from all the way back there. I've got the charcoal banked to one side, so I'm not using a whole ton of charcoal to attain that 550 direct heat. I'm just using one side. We could even drop that grill grate if we wanted to. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on the grill grate just to conduct heat a little bit better. And now we'll take our chicken out of the bag and directly onto the grill grate. Now I want to use my tongs here because I want to lay it down flat. And if you don't hear that sizzle, you're not there, okay? We want nice little char marks on this chicken. Second piece. All right, but no holes, it's not torn all up. A little bit of space between these guys so that the air can rush through. And I've still got a little marinade in the corner of this bag. I'll wait until I flip that chicken, and right when I flip it, I'll dump that on top, making sure to flip again. Now to ensure, A, that the rain's not getting on it, and B, that we're harnessing some of that natural lump charcoal flavor, I'm gonna close the dome, ensuring that my control tower up here, my dome is all the way open so that we can get back up to temperature. So about 1.5 to 2 minutes before we flip. We're at 1.5 minutes. If it's sticking, you need to leave it on a little bit, but look, we're gliding. I like the char.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, good, huh? And remember, now's the time we're gonna put this rest of this marinade. Remember, this has got raw chicken in it, so we're gonna wanna make sure and flip it over one more time, but I don't wanna waste any of those big, bold flavors. Remember, we wanna get a nice little sear on that extra marinade side. Oh yeah. And if you didn't pound them out, you know, one was a little thinner than the other one, you can always keep the thicker one here and put the thinner one on top and let them come to temperature together. This one a little more gently than this one, but we did a good job of pounding these out evenly. All right, so let's put this on our cutting board. The rest period for pounded meat is a lot shorter than a full roast. So we're just gonna let these rest for about 3 minutes or so. All right, and again, we could slice this up into strips, put skewers through them, dip them into peanut sauce, use this for tacos, whatever you like. You could even meal prep with this stuff really easily. But I've had this dream for a while of putting chicken, thinly pounded chicken, right there on the bottom. It almost looks like swordfish, doesn't it? And then I want to dress a salad. And I've just got, you know, cut up some cucumbers, some tomatoes, nothing crazy. A little spinach, a little romaine. And I've got a Thai peanut sauce that I picked up from the grocery store. So I'm going to dress this salad with Thai peanut sauce. And then we're going to toss this and put it directly on top. You could jazz this up pretty easily with some different kinds of greens. Arugula would be excellent. And I don't want to hide the chicken, so we're gonna go tall, a little plate architecture here. But you know, this is one of those just quick dishes, great for a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. I can't help myself. That is just an excellent looking little corner there. And again, I've been dreaming about this plate for a while here, so I'm glad to finally do it. Nice and juicy, pounded thin. Let's get some of that lettuce with the peanut sauce on there. And that's my quick bite right there. That's good.
Good enough to take the hat off.
I gotta take the hat off, use my hat. No, I mean, it's zippy. You know what I mean? The garlic, the rosemary, the lemon juice is fantastic. And I love the idea of that base of chicken as you cut into the salad. That's just a lot of fun. So big, bold flavors brought to you very quickly with high heat. And zippy ingredients, right? We keep using that word because it just comes to mind. So fresh, so fun. Folks, if you enjoyed this dish, As much as I enjoyed creating it for you, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification button, do leave us a comment. I love reading and responding. And folks, from our backyard to yours, cheers and happy grilling.